Hey, what is up there, YouTubers? This is Rainbow Heart. I am coming at you with a unboxing video. Ooh, I wonder what I got. Well, it came in this. And yes, I'm doing this up so that way you can actually see my actual reaction to it, because I think I know what this is. I'm pretty sure. And I cannot wait to actually get this done up and opened. I did not know that there was tape around this, so I've got to get out a little friend of mine. Excuse me. Do, 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 do. Aha. There it is. Have to kind of get the tape. Oop, sorry. Not mean to get that up close. But yes, I got to get the tape. Oh, my swirls. Holy free holy. Ah, and it's on both sides. Check out the new merch, you guys. It's got my insignia on it and everything, along with my logo. Oh, that is so cool. See, it's on both sides. This is awesome. And I say thank you to the person who ended up freaking doing this up. I wish that they would have included a little card. It was from an Etsy shop. If I can find it again, I will make sure to put the link for it in my description, so you guys can actually order the stuff from them. I highly recommend them. Oh my gosh, this is beyond awesome. I love it. 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 Again, this is Rainbow Heart. Signing out, you guys.